every phone is having Google Maps itself, the smartphone. Now government of India, they have their own satellite. They launched their own Navik satellites. So they are in that good deal with the Android. Try to use Indian satellites basically.
और मैं फिर भूल जाता हूँ कि अरे मैंने क्या सर्च किया था, कहाँ मिला था, मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा. बट लकली वो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे मिल जाता है, वो मुझे यूट्यूब पे मिल जाता है. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो ठीक भी तो है.
Based on your knowledge and your requirement, you opted to become a consumer, not a victim. Where we have multiple robots with the multiple shapes.
ओके.
They have dog robots, they have snake robots who do the patrolling. And what they are doing exactly is the part of the actual AI. जब आपको इंडिया से मिलेगा तो आप इंडिया के लिए काम करो. इंडिया में वेबसाइट बनाने के लिए लोग 2,500 से 10,000 रुपये देते हैं. They don't want, many of the customers, they don't want any fancy website or something. They want just plain HTML website, so you can download a template.
Right.
We need to choose between friends and the business, personal relationship, professional relationships. That's the hardest decision for anyone.
फ्रेंड्स तो समझ जाते होंगे सर.
No, when your friends or your known becomes your partner, that's completely different.
बट सर आजकल तो इतना कुछ इन्हेंस हो चुका है कि मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता कि हम लोग विक्टिम हो रहे हैं कि हम कस्टमर हैं.
That's the life.
सदगुरु जैसी बातें. सो सर या अभी आप जैसे कि अभी आप कह रहे थे ना कि कैलाश यात्रा आपने किया, फिर आपने अचानक से जॉब स्विच किया. ये मतलब क्या स्टोरी है सर इसके ऊपर?
Stories, I was busy in my job. I was delivery manager into the IT company. And you know the US clients basically. Because when you start having the calls the 5:30 or evening from the India times, so you don't have the time to sleep properly.
Yeah.
So it was late evening working, starting from the daytime. And my brother said that you should go to the Kailash. He has been to that place and he liked that. And all of a sudden I said that it's not possible to have 25 days leave
25 days leave. Of
to visit
course.
that place. It's a long time.
Yeah.
And being at the senior positions, you can't, nobody will give you the leaves 25. It will hamper the work. तो नहीं हो पाएगा. He said, okay, just do one thing. Just fill the registration form. Let's see what happens.
अच्छा.
And I lightly said, okay, I don't have a problem with that. Then we got the registrations, then we got the listing from that, short listing. That, okay, you got the short listing out of these members. What's next? I don't have the plan. Okay, let's do the first payment of 5,000. We'll see.
अच्छा.
Then I said, no. Time nahi hai. We can have a week or a weekend plan, not for the 25 days, because it will be 4 weeks for us. Then wife said, let's have a try. Everybody is saying, let's have a try. And I personally, like Lord Shiva a lot for this.
Devotee of Lord Shiva.
Yeah. Then I drop a mail to my VP, the US. Okay. I didn't ask for the leave. I just said, I will not be available from this date to this date. I don't know what happened to that time. He said, next week, he just called me after that. What is this all about? I think I'm planning to go to this Kailash Yatra for 4 weeks. I said, okay. Then he checked on the Google.
अच्छा.
Because, Americans, they believe in Googling everything.
They believe in?
Googling everything.
Ah.
They search on the Googles, what is this all about and this. And he said, okay, place is nice, you can go, but what about the work? I will take care of that. We have the second bench who will work for this. And we were liking that it was all by on your own foot. You were struggling with the up and downs, but you were liking that. This is all about the tracking, right?
Yeah.
Because in our trackers, we used to say that for any tracking, hard tracking, you need 3 M's formula.
3 M's.
3 M.
अच्छा.
For the first one is obviously money.
Money, yeah.
The second one is the muscles.
अच्छा.
You want your legs and the shoulders
ठीक है.
working perfect. And the third is your mind, obviously.
हाँ.
If you are feeling the pain or something, you need to override with your mind. Because there is no second option in the track. You have started from A point and you want to go to B point. You can't stop in between. Because you don't find anything into that place.
Right.
In the remote areas specifically. So while doing the Kailash Yatra with the 2.5 days, the core Kailash Yatra, and then we realized there is some energy into that part that attracted. And out of 58 guys we were, including my wife. Then we realized job में क्या कर रहे हैं. This is not what we wait for. Then we came back. Then I realized we should do something else.
ओके
Put the papers.
मतलब आते ही
नहीं आने के बाद it took around 10 months to take the decision.
अच्छा हाँ मालूम पड़ा फिर आपका वो जो यूएस बॉस घबरा गया होगा.
हाँ नहीं तो that decision was not easy for anyone because you were at the positions or all the expenses, personal expenses and the future plannings, everything you need to plan accordingly. Then took a break of 2 months. Then we decided to start something. तो इस तरह से हम बिजनेस में आए.
तो सर जैसे अभी आपने बोला ना कि मैं 2 महीने का मैंने ब्रेक लिया, सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि ब्रेक लेना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है.
For me and for everyone, I think so. It's very important. It's all depend upon your lifestyle, your work, your hard work you're doing, and things around you. Once we are in the job, we took a break every 3 months, and maybe a small trek, weekend trek, or a long drive with the friends. The casual time, basically. And that break should not include somebody likes reading a books with a peaceful place. Somebody likes some music, high music. Somebody likes driving in a rain or something. So a break is more important to get your refueling your energy.
राइट बिकॉज मैंने इसलिए पूछा आपसे बिकॉज आफ्टर माई 12th कुछ ऐसे कंडीशन हो गए थे जहाँ पे मेरे को ना ब्रेक लेना पड़ा एंड थैंक गॉड मैंने वो मुझे लाइक ब्रेक मिल गया सो दैट मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा कि ठीक है मुझे यही करना है लाइक मुझे जर्नलिज्म एंड मास कॉम ही करना है लाइक बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम आफ्टर 12th आई वाज कि ठीक है मुझे अब CA करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज पापा चाह रहे थे कि CA करने के लिए देन आई वाज लाइक CA करना पड़ेगा एंड आई वाज नॉट रेडी मेंटली आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं मुझे मास कॉम करना है आई हैव टू टेक ब्रेक देखा जाएगा कैसे क्या होता है और लोग बहुत गलत एक 12th के बाद तेरा बहुत कि तेरा साल ख़राब हो जाएगा
People
है ना
think so.
हाँ कि साल ख़राब हो जाएगा आई डोंट थिंक कि वो साल ख़राब होता है
Yeah, नहीं होता है. Because if you see you're around, maybe in your family, your friends, neighbor, the person who start late after 3 years, maybe they are your juniors in the schools, they are earning more than them.
या
So break is more important.
राइट so sir so you are the founder and CEO of Bluehim, right? So what is this Bluehim and what are the services you are providing?
Okay, so mainly we are into the staffing. Okay, and we have started the US staffing as well, registering, and along with that we have started the IT services.
Okay, IT services as in
IT services, web applications,
okay
okay, AI machine learnings, and we are going to start a few the LLM as well.
okay LLMs okay तो सर ये LLM है क्या होता है ये एक हमारे एक ऐसे ऑडियंस को जिनको कुछ नहीं पता.
You can say large language model basically. If you have a large database over there, so you can prepare some prototypes over that. You can create some solutions based on that.
तो so basically you
To
guys
make
are
the life easy.
okay so basically you guys are the like coders.
Yes, you can say.
ओके सो सर इस पे मैंने रिसर्च किया सर मोस्ट ऑफ द कोडिंग कंपनीज जो आप लोग जो सर्विस देते हो दे आर फ्रॉम US क्लाइंट्स राइट
Yes.
most of them but now they have their own AI like ChatGPT, Claude and like etc. So I want to know कि अब ये लोग खुद ही कोडिंग कर रहे हैं. दो टॉप जाइंट्स हैं गूगल के CEO और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के CEO दे आर सेइंग कि बहुत सारे कोडर्स AI के थ्रू ही कोडिंग करके और फिर वो अपना काम करते हैं राइट. और अब ये भी कह रहे हैं कि वो लोग AI अब कोडिंग को रिप्लेस कर देगी एट अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. तो अगर ये सब ऐसे होने लग गया तो फिर आपकी कंपनी और आप जैसे और भी बहुत सारी कंपनीज हैं देन दे वोंट गेट द US क्लाइंट राइट. फिर तो मतलब एक जॉबलेस वाली बात आ गई फिर से.
Okay. Let me give you an example to understand this. हम लोग पहले कोर्ट में जाते थे and we had to write
कोर्ट
the
में अच्छा
court, civil court or anything. We have to write the applications and get stamped over there. That over a period of time, the applicants, okay, they used to have the application using typewriter,
ओके
right? It's easy to read, clear and cluster. They got stamp and something. Now they moved to the computer,
या
okay? So with the help of computers, they have their predefined templates where they need to fill the name, address, and other details of the applicants because the content is already prepared. They need to do little will changes
Minor
into
changes.
that. Minor changes, right? So what is the difference between these three? Still, you have the guys, the staff over there who help you to prepare the applications, either with the hand over a period of time with the typewriter, now with the computer.
Computer.
The only thing is changing is the tool.
Right.
तो जो मैनुअल एप्लीकेशंस हाथ से लिखते थे उन्होंने अगर टाइपराइटर सीख लिया या परचेज कर लिया, so they are into the market. Else they are out. And same thing happening when they are changing it to computer. They are still into the market. They are making money. Those who are not changing and using the typewriter, they are out of the market.
Right.
So the same thing is happening for the coders as well.
Okay.
When we start coding, we had long, thick books on our tables because to get it syntax or something, कुछ चाहिए तो हम उसको देखते थे, एक्सप्लोर करते थे and we start doing it. Then contents come on the Google. उस टाइम पे भी ये बोला गया था कि अब Google आ गया है and you will get all the code ready on the net.
अच्छा.
So code is there on the Googles. Code is already ready, available on the website, multiple blogs. You need to fetch that. You need to understand your requirement and you need to complete that.
Okay.
You need to debug that. You need to test that. Now it is coming for the ChatGPT as well. ChatGPT is using a data, right? So whatever data is available, good or bad, we don't have any authentication on the same. They provide a solution to you. But although it's you or the coder who need to take the code, put that into the solutions and check whether it is working fine or meet the requirement or not. So manual intervention is still required. We don't know about the future. So at this moment, coders, biologists, they are safe.
Okay. Acha, you were saying this that at this moment also that they are safe.
They are safe.
Okay.
What AI is impacting right now is the call centers most. You have your phone, you need to talk about your balance or any services.
Right.
So based on the multiple queries any service provider is getting, so they are preparing a list of the questions and the answer ready for you. So whatever you are having the query, the chatbot is replacing that. So AI is helping in that case.
Okay. तो सर आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट कोडिंग. लाइक मुझे था कि मुझे कोडिंग भी करनी है बट नहीं कर पाया. ठीक है. बट आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग नाउ. बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ChatGPT और क्लॉड एनीथिंग कैन आई बी द प्रोफेशनल कोडर?
Yeah, definitely.
बट उसके
It's all about the practice. No.
नहीं, बट उसके लिए कुछ तो होना चाहिए, कुछ समझता
सर
होना
आपने
चाहिए.
12th के बाद बीटेक किया फॉर एग्जाम्पल. बीटेक में आपने एक बेसिक सीखा, C++, Python, Java, any of the languages. When they are coming to the company, are they ready for the company?
No.
I think very few colleges.
Yeah.
Maybe an IIT and maybe NIT or a few private colleges. They may be ready because they have done the practice of that. It's all about the practice. Do you have the right aptitude? Do you have the right attitude?
Right.
Your learning capability. Definitely you can.
नहीं सर, बट मेरा सवाल अभी भी वही है ना कि बीटेक करने वाला बंदा या C++ वो कुछ बेसिक तो करेगा. मैंने मास कॉम किया
उसने
हुआ है.
बेसिक कब किया सर?
मतलब उसे
एक टाइम फ्रेम में किया.
हाँ उसने टाइम फ्रेम में किया.
And you are coming to the ChatGPT that you want to learn for the coding. You spent a week or a month, depending upon your guessing power. You're learning that, and you're doing that.
Okay. So मतलब I can do
Yeah.
through ChatGPT and all that.
If I ask you, can you do the wiring for this flat or your studio?
No.
But you can do. You can learn.
हाँ, I can learn. Yeah.
You can see the faces of the wire.
But sir, wiring is a physical work and coding is a mental work.
No. It's not physical. It's about the mental first. Right?
Right.
आपको प्रॉपर वायरिंग आनी चाहिए, आपको लोड टेस्टिंग करना आना चाहिए, कितने स्विचेस लगेंगे, कितने रहेंगे. सो यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट विद योर माइंड. यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर अ ड्रॉ.
Okay. Maybe.
सो एवरीथिंग नीड्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स माइंड. आप एक मिट्टी का बर्तन बनाते हो, आप बना सकते हो.
हाँ, it's all about your.
मैं नहीं बना सकता, मेरे को नॉलेज नहीं है. मे बी देयर आर डजन्स ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ सेंट्स यूज टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस. मटके के लिए अलग चाहिए, उनके घड़े के लिए अलग चाहिए. So there are a lot of sciences involved into this part. So same for the coding. You need to understand the basics. What is if else? What is the flow charts? What is the loops? So once you have the basic of that, you start using them. If your basics are clear, you can do anything. I know many of the coders who are spending 10 plus years of the industry and they don't know about the coding properly.
Okay. तो सर कोडिंग से जिस तरीके से अभी होगा लाइक कोडिंग के बारे में बताया भी आपने. So what's your favorite language?
Favorite?
Language.
It's C#. Now is these days Python.
Okay. And what's your like कि हाँ ठीक है.
See,
बकवास.
it's all about the requirements, basically, what clients wants. But yes, these days, Python is having their own libraries who assist coders to provide the solution fast,
Okay.
especially for AI
ठीक है सर. तो नाउ यू हैव स्टार्टेड योर ब्लू हिम
solutions.
सॉल्यूशन. तो अब जैसे कि आप जब आपने ये स्टार्ट किया था जर्नी आफ्टर 10 months हैविंग ट्रैक टू कैलाश, राइट, देन ऑफ कोर्स ऐसा तो नहीं कि आपने शुरू किया सब कुछ एकदम ठीक हो गया, राइट. आपने कुछ ना कुछ एक वो प्रॉब्लम, एक वो फेस, एक प्रोसेस, लाइक अभी अभी राइट नाउ व्हाट वी आर फेसिंग कि हमने कंपनी का एक नाम सोचा हुआ था, ठीक है, कि यार हम ये नाम लेंगे. तो अब क्या हुआ कि हम जिस कंपनी के बारे में जो हम डोमेन पे डाल रहे हैं वो है ही नहीं. वो तुम 3 लाख 4 लाख 10 लाख में लो. अब उस पर कुछ कोई बंदा काम नहीं कर रहा, बट बंदे ने ऑलरेडी मतलब ले रखा है. तो एक तो कंपनी का जो नाम है वो बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है हमें कि हम क्या नाम रखें. सेकंड, जो एक रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस है, कंपनी आप इंडिया में जब भी आप करते हो रजिस्ट्रेशन, वो कहने के लोग बहुत बोलते हैं कि हाँ 10-15 हज़ार में आप ये कर दो, वो कर दो, ऐसे कर दो, वैसे कर दो. बट जो वो प्रोसेस है वो भी एक अलग टास्क है, राइट. सो फिर अभी मैं ये फेस कर रहा हूँ, राइट. तो अभी आप आपने कैसे क्या फेस किया?
Okay. By God grace, I have few friends. Okay. Like you said, for company registration, that is not my cup of coffee. Okay. So I asked one of my friend, he knows everything in and outs. और उसने जैसे आपने कहा 10-15 हज़ार में, 10-15 हज़ार में उसने कर दिया solutions.
अच्छा.
Okay. So it's not a healthy line. You go to the MCA websites, you check for the company names. If it's still available, you can acquire that.
ओके.
Okay. You can request to acquire that. Once you have the name, you need to apply for the GST. Once you got the GST, you need to apply for the corporate PAN card, LUT number if required, import export license, a lot of things. You want to register for MSME. So there is proper companies, and we have, like you said, you want to become a CA. Your father wants you to become a CA. So that's the calm of the CA. CA knows everything in and out, so he will help you. Now it depends upon the cost of that. So company registration, GST registration, they have the limited few price for that. Okay,
ओके.
it's cost of the CA of the person you are contacting with,
ओके.
their consultation fees.
ओके.
Okay, like the lawyer, they don't have any described fees for this charge or something. You can go with a big lawyer, they can charge for a huge amount. You can go with a smaller, so they will give you 10,000, 20,000 depending on the case. So first is the registration for choosing the company is the most difficult part for that.
कंपनीज नेम, या.
Okay, and if you're not getting the domain, basically you can change the alias for that. Like maybe you don't want to have the .in is not available, you can check for the .com, .co, .io. So likewise you can search for this. So you need to connect with the right concerned person who can provide these solutions.
राइट. बट इससे ठीक है, अपने कंपनी का ठीक है. मुझे बस अभी सोच के एक और सवाल आया है कि आपने जब शुरू किया ये कंपनी, ऑफ कोर्स यार यू हैड अ स्टेबल जॉब, यूएस क्लाइंट, राइट. अच्छा खासा डॉलर्स में पैसे आते होंगे आपके पास, ठीक है. बट अभी अचानक से आप कह रहे हो कि यार मैं अपना शुरू करूँगा, और आपने शुरू भी कर दिया सब कुछ. एक फ़र्स्ट फेज़ हो गया, बट बिटवीन द फर्स्ट फेज़ एंड सेकेंड फेज़ एक पॉइंट आता है ना कि यार कुछ 19-20 हो गया, तो एक सेल्फ डाउट,
Yes.
राइट. बिकॉज मुझे भी अभी भी बीच में सेल्फ डाउट आता है कि यार शिट यार, अगर ये हो गया तो, अगर नहीं कर पाया तो, अगर ऐसा हो गया तो. वो जो तो वर्ड है ना, वो कभी कभार मुझे हॉन्ट करता है.
सर देखिए, ये तो हमारे पास एक बुक हर घर में होती है, गीता का ज्ञान. जो हो चुका है वो हो चुका है, उसके बारे में सोच नहीं सकते. जो होने वाला है वो आपके हाथ में नहीं है, तो उसके बारे में सोच नहीं सकते. जो करंट है आप सिर्फ उस पर काम कीजिए.
नहीं,
आपको पैसा नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन शायद आपको एक्सपीरियंस बहुत मिलेगा, और वो एक्सपीरियंस आपके नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आएगा. सो द फर्स्ट thing we started after this, okay, it was not Blue Him Solutions.
ओह,
We started a fintech company.
ओके.
One of my friend was working with a fintech company, and he got, hey, they are making huge money. My boss is making money. How? They are making 5,000 credit cards.
अच्छा.
So we go, oh really? It's so much money. तो उस एक्सपीरियंस में हमको लगा कि दैट्स वेरी इजी, ये तो हम ऐसे कर देंगे. वी विल गो ऑनलाइन प्रमोशंस, वी विल गो एवरीथिंग. बट आफ्टर 3 months or 6 months वी रियलाइज
कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
दिस इज नॉट अवर वर्क,
ओके.
दिस इज नॉट अवर डोमेन एक्चुअली.
ओके.
So we need to spend a lot of time to learn this, and we don't have that time.
एंड हाउ टू नो व्हाट इज आवर डोमेन एंड व्हाट इज नॉट? हम किस में क्या
Okay.
कर सकते
What's your interest area in your life?
हैं. My interest area. Sir, abhi right now I'm like, see, my interest area is to just create a good entertainment content. Like basically, I want to go into the music
And
production.
you are doing this one?
This is kind of my like this
Part
is
of that?
part of that. Yeah.
So you are enjoying this.
Yeah.
So this is your interest area. This is what you need to do.
Hmm.
We have a lot of Bollywood pictures on that part.
Hmm.
कि जो इंटरेस्ट एरिया है वही करो, क्योंकि उसमें आप अपना 100% दे सकते हो.
Hmm.
जो आपका 100% नहीं है उसमें आप नहीं दे सकते हो, राइट? सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन.
या बट मतलब सर ये भी मेरा इंटरेस्ट एरिया है, बट जो वो मेन इंटरेस्ट एरिया है वो थोड़ा दूर है, मतलब इट्स जस्ट अ स्टेप.
You will go step by step.
या ओके राइट राइट राइट.
In the trekking, we learn this thing. You have a huge mountain to climb.
सो आई हैव
You
जस्ट
need to take
स्टार्टेड
the
माय
first
ट्रैकिंग.
step, then second step,
या
and slowly steady.
तो so you have started your Indian tech company, and now my question is, how can an Indian tech companies compete against Google, WhatsApp, Facebook?
Okay, so I just want to change the question basically. Why we want to compete them?
Right. Because they are leading us. At a point of time, they are leading us. Right.
See, they have their own laboratories, labs to invent something. Right? Earlier we had Yahoo Chat, and okay, maybe you are aware of that.
Yeah.
So once Google, landed into the market, he gave free everything. Right? Gmail chat. Then he landed for the Orkut as well, which obviously failed after some time, and we moved to the Facebook basically. Because new things comes up with the new features, so you need to change everything accordingly. Now Google is having the data.
Okay.
You don't. Your phone is having Google with the Android. Now we are talking, and you have a phone nearby, and you ask me about the privacy. So that phone is by default is listening everything, and every conversations we are having.
बट उसमें ऑप्शन तो आता होगा कि मैं इसको मतलब ये मेरी आवाज़ में सुने.
So do you know where is this option right now?
Yeah, like on Google settings.
Where?
Not
You
exactly.
don't- Not exactly. Because I think you have not done that.
Yeah.
So maybe 1% or less than 1% people knows about this. So there is a difference between customer and the victims.
अच्छा. और क्या है ये डिफरेंस क्या है?
You buy something as a consumer and you are happy with that. But on the other side, when you don't know the pros and cons of that, and you become a victim of this one. So technology and the AI, this will affect the human beings or human lives. In some percentage, it is very good.
कितना परसेंटेज?
At this moment, you can say 20-30% is very good. But those who don't know about this technology, how to use it, those consumers will become a victim of this one.
ओके. सो मुझे एआई के बारे में 20 से 30% पता है. ठीक है. आई नो हाउ टू यूज़ इट, हाउ इन माई डोमेन, कि मैं अपने लिए कैसे क्या क्या कर सकता हूँ. बट अगर जिसको नहीं पता है तो वो विक्टिम होंगे. बट विक्टिम किस चीज़ के लिए होंगे? लाइक उनकी जॉब जाएगी या उनकी कुछ लाइफ में थ्रेटन या कुछ ऐसा?
कुछ भी हो सकता है. It's not about the commercials. It's about the lives.
ओके.
Give an example. A company launched a smart TV with inbuilt cameras, Wi-Fi, and everything.
ओके.
People used it. They bought it. Oh, very cheap price, good quality, and all those things. They switched it off with using the remote. Okay. Now the TV was, in some of the homes, they were in the bedroom.
They were in the bedroom. Yeah.
And once you switch it off, you think, okay, it's off. But it's not off. The current is still supplied into that part. The Wi-Fi is still connected to that part. Still working. It's still on the standby mode. You can. Screen बंद हो गया इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि टीवी बंद हो गया है, ऑपरेशन बंद हो गया. And there was a glitch into that part.
Okay.
It was capturing all the moments, the camera.
Okay.
Okay. So by one of the employee of that company, he leaked that into the market.
कौन सी-
This happened.
कौन सी कंपनी है सर ये?
That's not important actually. It's about the case actually to
Yeah.
answer your query. So I'm just giving the example.
Okay.
of that. And this happened in India actually in one of the state.
अच्छा.
And this was on the table of the chief minister of that. They asked the company to come over that. बहुत कुछ हुआ, दे सेटल डाउन द इशू. सो दैट्स द कंज्यूमर हु बिकम्स द विक्टिम. और उनको पता भी नहीं है कि वो विक्टिम भी बन गए.
सो बेसिकली प्राइवेसी इज अ मिथ.
प्राइवेसी इज अ मिथ.
मतलब वो नहीं है कुछ भी, मतलब हम सब ट्रैक
इन
हो रहे
IT, इन टेक्नोलॉजी, इट्स अ मिथ.
हैं. ओके, मतलब वो सिर्फ बेच रहे हैं हमें.
Everybody is collecting the data. It's all about the data. Nothing is free. There is no free lunch, my dear friend.
ओके.
This is old. There is no free lunch. So जो आपको फ्री दे रहा है वो कुछ ना कुछ सोच के तो दे रहा है.
राइट.
फ्री तो भंडारे में मिलता है. तो प्राइवेसी इज अ मिथ, कंप्लीटली मिथ.
और आपने एक ठीक है, वो हम वो केस स्टडी पे बाद में आएंगे जो आपने मुझे एक बार बताया था केस स्टडी. तो सर अब ठीक है, अब जैसे कि आपने बोला कि गूगल हमारा डेटा लेता है, राइट. एंड्रॉयड भी हमारा डेटा लेता है. और हम कोई बाहर की सैमसंग या नॉट सैमसंग, एनी XYZ TV हम यूज़ करते हैं, हाईटेक कुछ भी, वो भी हमारा डेटा लेता है. और ये सारे के सारे ब्रांड्स इंडियन ब्रांड्स नहीं है, राइट. दे आर फ्रॉम लाइक बाहर वाले ब्रांड. देन हाउ द गवर्नमेंट विल कलेक्ट आर डेटा? फिर वो हमें ट्रैक कैसे करेगी, या मतलब ये कितना ज़्यादा एक बड़ा गेम है या स्कैम है, क्या है ये?
We can't say it as scam. Basically, the government, like we are using Google Maps. Okay, so every phone is having Google Maps itself, the smartphone, and the company Android is paying Google for this one. Okay, they have their own satellite in the US. Now, government of India, they have their own satellite. They launched their own Navik satellite, something. So they are in that good deal with the Android. Try to use Indian satellites basically.
ओके.
So it will not only give the revenue to the government of India, but also the privacy. Okay. Using a smartphone, you move around any city. So at the end of the month, they will give you
लॉग, राइट.
किस दिन कहाँ गए, किस रेस्टोरेंट में कितना हॉल्ट किया, क्या खाया, कहाँ रुके. So where is the privacy?
बट सर ये एक पॉइंट पे तो ठीक भी है. जैसे कि मैं कभी कभार लगता है कि अरे यार, मतलब मुझे ना एक ट्रैकर मिल जाता है ना, कि मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल कि मैं कुछ सर्च कर रहा हूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर अ कैमरा, और वो मैंने गूगल पे किया होगा कभी, या मैंने, और फिर जो मैं गूगल पे सर्च करता हूँ वो मेरे इंस्टा पे भी आता है, वो मेरे यूट्यूब पे भी आता है. ऑफ कोर्स दे आर शेयरिंग माई डेटा. और मैं फिर भूल जाता हूँ कि अरे मैंने क्या सर्च किया था, कहाँ मिला था, मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा. बट लकली वो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे मिल जाता है, वो मुझे यूट्यूब पे मिल जाता है. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो ठीक भी तो
So
है.
based on your knowledge and your requirement, you opted to become a consumer, not a victim.
ओके.
Right? आप कहीं पे बैठे हैं, आपके फ्रेंड ने आपका स्मार्टफोन लिया, एंड यू डोंट नो अबाउट दिस. कुछ है ही नहीं फोन में, तो क्या दिक्कत. ये किसी ऐसे बंदे ने लिया, यू डोंट वांट टू दिस, एंड ही नोज वेयर यू हैव विजिटेड द होल द प्लेस. वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर?
नो हियर आई एम अ विक्टिम.
नाउ यू आर विक्टिम.
ओके. तो फिर मैं उसी बात पे आता हूँ, गवर्नमेंट पे. फिर अगर हमारे पास डेटा सब कुछ बाहर जा रहा है, दैट्स वाई डेटा इज़ ऑयल, हमारा सारा डेटा बाहर जा रहा है, तो फिर गवर्नमेंट इस डेटा को अपने पास क्यों नहीं लेती है? बिकॉज इन दी एंड हम तो, मतलब हमारा डेटा तो हमारा ही है ना, बाहर क्यों जा रहा है ये?
Maybe officially they are not taking it to US. They said servers are in India. Your data is still in India.
ओके. तो हम इस डेटा को लोकलाइज करने के लिए व्हाट शुड वी डू? लाइक इंडियन गवर्नमेंट व्हाट शुड दे डू?
See, earlier we don't had the supercomputers.
ओके.
I think 80s we got it. Rajiv Gandhi was there. Now it all depends upon the chip basically. So there was a demand, and government is trying to make the chips locally into the Indian market. Once we have the chips, we will have them become the more servers, more good infrastructure into ours. Once we have the infrastructure, then we can save the data.
और ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्यों नहीं, कैसे नहीं है?
It requires costing.
तो मतलब गवर्नमेंट हमारे इन सब पे कुछ इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर रही?
They are investing, but maybe in future they will invest more actually. Like taking an example, in the US, they are spending around 3.5% of the GDP into the AI.
ओके.
China is spending around 2%, and we are spending less than 1%.
0.7 समथिंग.
Yeah, something. I don't remember the exact figure, but yes, less than 1%. So this is the difference is coming over. Now, using that fund into the AI, US already have the instruments or the robots as the POC or as the trial version. They are on the patrolling on the New Mexico borders or somewhere places where we have multiple robots with the multiple shapes.
Okay.
They have dog robots, they have snake robots who do the patrolling. And what they are doing exactly is the part of the actual AI.
अच्छा.
If कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग जा रहा है, so they try to recognize the face. क्या उनके डेटाबेस से मैच कर रहा है? It is a criminal, a drug dealer, or anyone else? Does they have the weapons? Their heartbeats? All the reports they are collecting actually. Based on the inputs they have and the authorizations the robots have, they are performing the actions. So that is the AI, power of the AI.
सर इतने इनोवेटिव हमारे इंडियन कोडर्स, इंडियन स्टार्टअप कंपनीज क्यों नहीं है?
Coders, okay. So in the world, we have around 15% of Indian origin coders.
50.
15% of the coders into the AI. That is a contribution of our manpower, Indian origin, which is working for across the globe, maybe for Indian companies or US companies. So you can make a company, but it's need money and the clientage.
So basically, you were saying that Indian companies are prioritizing the profit instead of innovation.
See, who is our customer into the IT?
A customer, US.
I think 50+% is going to the US. Some part is going to the Europe, and less than 5% is going to the Australia.
Okay.
Now, Indian government is having e-governance funds basically. So you can see the lot of websites of the governments and projects like Jam Portal something. So that's the internal customer we have.
अच्छा.
That percentage is very low.
अच्छा.
Being a businessman, I don't care who is my customer, whether it is Indian or the American. You need money for that
Right.
to run the business. आपको इंडिया से धंधा मिलेगा, आप इंडिया के लिए करोगे. बिजनेस आपको यूएस से मिलेगा, आप यूएस के लिए करोगे. तो बिजनेस आपको जब यूएस से ही मिल रहा है, तो आप यूएस के लिए ही काम करोगे. जब आपको इंडिया से मिलेगा, तो आप इंडिया के लिए काम करोगे. इंडिया में एक वेबसाइट बनाने के लिए लोग 2,500 से 10,000 रुपये देते हैं. They don't want, many of the customers, they don't want any fancy website or something. They want just plain HTML website, so you can download a template.
Right.
They are street guys sitting in the cafe. They can prepare, do the text changes and all this, and they deliver it and hosted it with extra. So this is how the Indian companies are not able to meet or compete the Google giants. They invest a lot of money into their labs as well.
And we don't do.
We don't do. We just make the profit and try to have a big bungalow and something.
Show offs.
So there is one guy who just sell his share and for 1.5 million actually. And after 4 years, now he's looking for internship.
Huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, like
I just read. Yeah, last week I just read the article.
he's an Indian guy.
He's an Indian guy. He started a firm, and he just sell out the profit and his shares basically for $1.5 million. Okay. After 4 years, he may have tried something else or not get any actual results. Now he's looking for internship into the AI company to start the next chapter.
Scary.
So that's the investors basically required for the new inventions.
तो सर जैसे अभी हमने एक UPI पेमेंट करके हमने वी दिस इज आवर थिंग राइट दैट वी हैव स्टार्टेड अ UPI पेमेंट और बहुत बाहर के भी लोग आके सो डू यू एवर see that any Indian company surpassing some AI stuff, just like OpenAI or Google or Gemini?
Like I said that we are, providing these solutions. But to make a complete product, we need a lot of infrastructures, which we don't have at the moment, because it requires a lot of money actually. You are importing computers or devices from China or from the US to make it infrastructure, right? So resources you have, the man resources you have, India, but you don't have the physical resources. the machines.
तो उसके लिए सर क्या करना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट को?
Government, they are trying to do it, but they need to, enlarge their scale for this ones.
एजुकेशन सिस्टम भी तो कुछ कहीं ना कहीं.
Yeah, that includes everything. We have some interns, BA interns in the US with the computer science.
Okay.
And with the 3 years, they were doing some .NET and Java. And we had some good graduates, BTech graduates from the. So we need to provide them a training for 6 months into the company, how things goes on. Whereas on another guy who's BA, the computer science, he was ready from the birthday as being a good coder. Like for any semester, we have around 5 subjects, maybe 6. Let's take 5. The 4 years, they have multiple subjects into that. Every year they have 8 or 10 subjects. So 40 subjects in the 4 year, for examples. If you ask any person in the interview, can you give me the name of the or list of the projects or the subjects you have learned into the 4th semester? Most of them will not. C पढ़ी, C++ पढ़ी, Java पढ़ी, Python पढ़ी, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस किस पे की, हैंड्स ऑन किस पे किया? उसके लिए फिर वो बीटेक करने के बाद प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट्स के पास जाते हैं with a 6 months course.
अच्छा.
There are a lot of companies or private institutes. So they have good teachers, those who will learn them Java, Python, AI, database, whatever you need. But you need to pay.
सब कुछ मतलब पूरा एक बिजनेस बना दिया है ना.
Yeah, there's a business. Education is a business lobby.
मतलब एक कोडिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है, मतलब गवर्नमेंट जो बंदा बीटेक विद कंप्यूटर साइंस करता है, एंड देन देयर इज सम, अभी न्यू ट्रेंड चल रहा है ना, बूट कैंप, कोडिंग बूट कैंप. और मैंने ऐसे ही बंदों को देखा है कि यू नो दे डोंट नो मच नॉलेज बट दे आर क्रिएटिंग कोर्सेज फ्रॉम ChatGPT एंड क्लाउड एंड देन दे आर डूइंग बूट कैंप. सो ये कितना सही या कितना गलत है?
They are doing the business. White collar business, so it's a business. So what they are doing, they are taking the victims from the graduation college.
ओके.
Those who didn't get the placements in the college, so they are the victims. For them, they are the victims, right? कि 4 साल की एजुकेशन के बाद अगर आपको योर फैमिली हैज स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन यू और उसके बाद आपको नहीं पता है कि क्या करना है, जो हमारे साथ आपके साथ भी हुआ है, और फिर उसके बाद प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट्स में आप जा रहे हैं. सो व्हाट दे आर टेकिंग द रॉ मटेरियल, दे आर रिफर्बिशिंग इट एंड सेलिंग इट टू द मार्केट.
Now I'm coming back to the point where you were telling me कि एज अ बिजनेस पर्सन हमें चाहे इंडिया से पैसा मिले या US से पैसा मिले, इन दिस हमें सब बिजनेस करना है, राइट?
इफ इट इज एथिकल वी डोंट हैव एन इशू.
हाँ, राइट. बट तो इसका मतलब यही है, फिर इंडियन कोडर्स आर मोस्टली फोकस ऑन सर्विसेज इंस्टेड ऑफ इनोवेशन और क्रिएटिंग सम एक्सपेरिमेंट्स.
So innovation and experience need patience and the money, which they don't have. So what is it? This is the difference between the developed country and a developing country.
सर मैं तो जब से स्कूल में जब से मैंने एडमिशन लिया है और अभी तक मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ इंडिया को एज अ डेवलपिंग कंट्री ही देख रहा हूँ और सुन रहा हूँ.
So we change a lot actually.
हाँ.
You can see the differences in your home.
या.
पहले चूल्हे होते थे, फिर गैस सिलेंडर्स आए, now you have the pipelines.
द डेवलपिंग प्रोसेस इज वेरी स्लो.
See, it's all about the definitions, how you'd want to define that,
ओके.
right? So, okay, taking examples for the government. Few days back, one of the MPs talking about AI into the Rajya Sabha or the Lok Sabha. I don't remember exactly the place, but yes, he was discussing about that since he was a MP. And he was giving some data, how AI is affecting our life, how we need to invest into the AI. And most of the MPs, they were smiling or busy something. Because this subject was not related to them actually, or the interest area, including the seniors. So maybe the bureaucrats were listening behind that, and they will, give the data to the government's stakeholders, and they will do something for that. But the reactions in the room, within the hall, is completely different. And when the time ups, the alarm was wake up, oh, your time is up. even though he may be he was right with the right data that we need to think over, that other developed countries are doing. They have a problem, they start doing the solution for the same. We most of the time, including our home or the society, we try to avoid the problems.
राइट. हम उस पर बात ही नहीं करते, चाहे वो प्रॉब्लम कैसी भी हो. वी अवॉइड दैट.
For the summers you have fan, तो earlier अरे ये पंखा तो बेकार है, it will affect your life. Then cooler, then AC, but they already had the solutions. So we are just a consumer at this moment from the technology perspective.
राइट. अच्छा, व्हाट इज़ द हार्डेस्ट डिसीजन यू हैव मेड एज अ CEO सो फार?
There are a lot.
कुछ एक दो बताओ सर, एकदम हार्डेस्ट की यार हो गया मेरा तो अब.
Yeah, this phase comes into life. We need to choose between friends and the business, personal relationship, professional relationships. That's the hardest decision for anyone.
फ्रेंड्स तो समझ जाते होंगे सर.
No, when your friends or your known becomes your partner, that's completely different. You need to open a new office. You need to create funds for that. That's the hardest decision. You need to open a new business. You are running a business, okay, and you are going, okay, market is going down. Now you need to take a new decision to open a new business when market is still down from the first one.
दैट्स कॉल्ड रिस्क.
Yeah, you are taking the investment for that part. So that is the hardest decision. So in business, most of decision is the hardest.
कभी किसी ऐसे बंदे को लाइक फायर वायर किया है जो लगे अरे यार नहीं करना चाहिए इसको?
While in the job, no, actually firing is not like this one. Because once you hire any employees, you need to think about 6 months projections. It's not the instant decision to hire anyone. You need to think about the funds. You need to think about the market. You need to think the strategy. So that's all required.
अरे सर, जब आपने कंपनी शुरू करी थी, सो यू वर टोटली इनटू द यूएस कंपनीज, और जब आपके पेरेंट्स को पता चला कि यार ये जॉब छोड़ रहा है और खुद का कुछ शुरू करेगा, बिकॉज इंडियन पेरेंट्स नहीं चाहते हैं कि भाई, बिकॉज वी आर मोर इनटू द स्लेव्स कि काम करो 9 से 5, 9 से 6 काम करो, EMI पे सब कुछ अपनी ज़िंदगी बिताओ.
सर IT में तो 9 से 5 भी नहीं होता ना, हमारी लाइफ ही 5 के बाद शुरू होती है.
राइट. तो सर इससे याद है एक और सवाल है सर, ये आप किस टाइप के कोडर हो, जो रात को काम करते हैं लाइक, या फिर सुबह सुबह एकदम प्रॉपर?
Honestly, with the second phase.
सेकेंड फेज एज
Lunch sessions,
पोस्ट.
lunch sessions, afternoon, to the late evenings, late nights. इस तरह के कोडर.
बट सर हेल्थ पे तो असर होता होगा.
सर बीइंग एन इंडियन हमने ये कभी सोचा ही नहीं ना. What is health?
बीइंग एन इंडियन लाइक, सर वायरल जाएगी.
With a corporate Indian, I would say. With a corporate Indian, I would say. My father he wakes up every morning at 4 a.m. in the morning. And many times I sleep at 4 a.m.
कितने घंटे की नींद लेते हो सर आप?
Maybe 6 hours or 4 hours.
ये मैं मोदी टाइप क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ, कितने घंटे की नींद लेते हो आप? नहीं नहीं.
No, I try to have a good sleep. But 4-5 days, it's 4 to 6 hours.
तो while starting your own venture, what is the main important thing you have learned कि यार ये कोई भी एंटरप्रेन्योर अगर अपनी कुछ कंपनी शुरू कर रहा है ना, उसे ये 2 से 3 चीज़ तो करनी चाहिए?
First one is the market survey.
ओके.
Because you are going to provide a service or a product to the market. Secondly, what difference you are making to the market.
ओके.
Because if you are providing the same solution which is already into the market, so why any customer is changing their vendors?
तो ये तो बहुत भी मतलब जो ऑलरेडी सेम सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, दे आर डूइंग वेरी गुड. बहुत सारे ऐसे एग्जांपल्स हैं.
That's what I'm saying. The third one is the contacts. The person contacts or the professional contacts.
ये तो बात हो गई एक मतलब कमर्शियल और प्रोफेशनल टाइप का, मैं पर्सनल वैसे पूछ रहा था आपसे कि पर्सनल ऐसा क्या होना चाहिए जो हर एक बंदे को, हर एक इंसान को समझना चाहिए कि हाँ ये 3 चीज़ें।
Family with support with your family,
सपोर्ट विद योर फैमिली, ओके।
emotional and the physical.
ओके।
You should have a backup plans for next 3 years. For next 3 years, I'm not saying for the 6 months or the 1 year. For the 3 years, what is going to happen? And a mindset to learn basically. If you fail, it is okay.
एंड व्हाट इफ फेल इज़ नॉट एन ऑप्शन, मतलब
It's not in your hand. If it is not an option, don't do it. It's not like success, you will get the success in the first step or the second step. There are a lot of examples with the world's healthiest or the richest persons. Fails many times.
सो डू यू थिंक इंडिया हैज़ टैलेंट?
Yeah, definitely. That's why we are number one exporter in the IT resources. You go anywhere in the world, in 99% of the countries, you will find Indians. The first one is the IT. The second one is the Daba, food.
अच्छा तो अच्छा ठीक है।
And nursing and medical is obviously there is one thing.
Yeah. So now let's talk about one of the most and hyped thing, that is AI. Sir, what is AI?
AI is just artificial intelligence.
ठीक है।
You have your mindset, you have your own intelligence. Based on your learning from your birth to the time you are thinking. You have some visualizations, you have some understanding from the market. You have some learnings from the book, you have some learning practicals, face-to-face reactions. So you can take your own decision. Now, when it comes to the AI, we are giving the power to the machines to think and react based on the data we have given to them.
ओके। तो मतलब एक हाई फीचर कार है, सनरूफ एवरीथिंग, तो इज दिस एन एआई कार? मतलब
No, there's a facility.
अच्छा
You're pressing a button, it is opening. So there's a simple command.
अच्छा
So there is no thought involved from the machine whether they need to open it or not.
ओके
They just receive the command to open the sunroof, it will open. There may be a sensor of rain or something, but that is not the AI.
अच्छा, सेंसर इज ऑल्सो नॉट एन
No, 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 no.
अगर मेरे पास एक रोबोट है जो मेरे ये काम धाम करता है, बर्तन साफ कर देना, पोछा लगा देना, सब कुछ, एवरीथिंग, राइट? सो दिस इज एन एआई रोबोट।
You can say that
ओके।
because he's thinking, he's reacting, he's giving you output. You have the बर्तन वगैरह आपके जो डिशेस में है उसे देखा गंदे पड़े हुए हैं, मांज देता हूँ
अपने आप।
अपने आप। वो गया कपड़े गंदे पड़े हुए हैं, उठा के कर देता है। पोछा चाहिए, पोछा कर देगा कि गंदा हो रहा है। बट इफ यू हैव अ रोबोट कि इतने बजे आपको क्लीन करना है, सो दे हैव देयर सेट पैरामीटर, उस पैरामीटर में उसने लॉन्गिट्यूड लैटिट्यूड के बेस पे किया, दैट इज नॉट द एआई, दैट्स द कमांड।
तो सर जो अपने आप सब कुछ कर रहा है वो तो बहुत स्केरी हो गया।
We have given a longitude latitude area to him, for suppose for this hall, and he is going for each and every row and columns, and after going back this, he is not using any data. But if that robot is having more than that, कहीं पे गंदा ज़्यादा है, कहीं पे गंदा कम है, कहीं पे ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स की ज़रूरत है, so more than that, based on the data, that comes to the artificial intelligence. Okay. Let me give you an examples. Maybe 6 or 7 years back, we got a reference to prepare a POC, proof of concept, for a milk dairy plant that was listed amongst top 5 into the India, North India. So what they were looking that they were getting hundreds of trucks into the plants from the different places, demographic locations all over the city and outside the city. And sometimes due to the traffic or the scenarios, the timings of the trucks, like for every hour they are getting 50 trucks something. So they are going up and downs. Maybe for first hour they are getting only 10 trucks, and on the next hours they are getting 100 trucks. And they have to call the staff. ट्रक कहाँ पर है, कितनी देर में आ रहे हो, सर रास्ते में आ रहे हैं, ट्रैफिक जाम में है. They need to increase or decrease the productivity of the plant accordingly. So what is the solution for this one? So we gave them a POC for this one. We will put some sensors into the trucks, okay, which includes the GPS devices, which includes the sensors into the tires of the pressures, okay, and they will collect the data and they give it to our servers, and server reacts for that. Okay, for the next hours, not 50, it's coming to the 40 projections 15 minutes before that. So the plant engineer can see, okay, आधे घंटे में 20 ट्रक आने वाले हैं, नेक्स्ट 30 उसमें इतने आने वाले हैं, नेक्स्ट घंटे में इतने आने वाले हैं. बिकॉज अगर किसी टायर का प्रेशर कम हो गया एक लिमिट के बाद, सो दे विल एटलीस्ट नीड 30 मिनट्स टू रिप्लेस द टायर. पंचर हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया, ट्रैफिक स्लो है आगे, तो आपका जीपीएस डिवाइस नेविगेट कर बता देगा कि ठीक है इस रूट पर ट्रैफिक आ रहा है, तो इस रूट के सारे ट्रक नहीं आएंगे अभी.
अच्छा.
So that was not the AI, that was the IoT, Internet of Things. So based on the devices installs, they are connected to the internet, and we are collecting that data and we are manipulating that.
So there is a difference between AI and IoT.
Yeah.
Okay.
AI is something you have a large data in your pocket and you are allowing a machine to perform an action basically on their own.
तो मतलब इंडियन के नाम, अभी तो इंडियन को तो एआई के नाम पे कुछ भी मतलब बेच रहा है.
अब सर वो तो you are getting a wall AC in your, that is AI enabled.
हाँ.
So I don't know what is AI into that part actually, because it's cooling based on the temperature or the moisture inside that. Right. So these are the sensors, couple of sensors which needs to install and configured with your programming.
राइट. बिकॉज बहुत सारे हाई प्रोफाइल प्रोडक्ट्स हैं विच लाइक एआई करके बेच रहे हैं.
सर मैं आपको बताता हूँ, लास्ट टाइम one of my friend company, they had some negotiation going on with a Riyadh company,
ओके.
and he called me to assist in the technical part of that. So one of the sheikhs said, we want AI enabled web applications. So the third statement, I interrupt in between. Sir, what do you mean by AI enabled into this part? Why you need the AI into this part? Hey, everyone is saying AI. Meaning, do you have the data? This is the first time you are launching the application to your factory. So no, when you don't have the data, what is AI into this? मैंने कहा आपको डेट नहीं चाहिए, बोलो मेरे को ये रिपोर्ट चाहिए. मैंने कहा ये सिंपल क्वेरीज हैं, इसमें AI का कोई रोल नहीं है, और AI के बिना इससे ज़्यादा हम आपको ये प्रोजेक्शंस भी दे सकते हैं. आपको ये एक्चुअल डेटा चाहिए. तो कुछ लोगों के लिए AI एक मिथ है, because it's in the developing phase actually. Maybe 5 years or something, we will see something more than that.
AGI.
Taking examples, before COVID, 2 big companies in the US, they had a collaboration for a lab for AI. 2 computers were connected with a different programming language and coding, and they had the power to think and react.
Okay.
So that was a complete AI. Within few hours, those 2 computers, supercomputers, start interacting with each other. आपस में बात करनी शुरू कर दी
अपने आप ही.
अपने आप में, with a different language.
ओके.
जो कोडर्स और साइंटिस्ट का समझ में नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. They tried to manipulate the things around them, other machines, because they all were connected with the internet, with the network. Okay. So the company decided to shut down the computers. They gave the command shut down, but that command was overridden बाय दिस कंप्यूटर्स कि अब शट डाउन नहीं कर रहे हैं. Before COVID, there were few articles available on the net.
Okay.
Now what to do? They had to unplug the power supply,
Okay.
and that project was shut down. इसको बंद कर दो. So this is what the AI will reflect man versus machine in the future.
सर ये कंपनी कौन सी थी, कुछ इसके ऊपर कुछ आर्टिकल रिसर्च?
I will give you offline for that one.
प्लीज़.
There's available slots for this one. So that is the AI. You saw many of the Hollywood movies, the robots, they are thinking about that. So that's all real. This is gonna happen. So maybe this is happening somewhere.
और एक था ना आर्टिकल, शायद गूगल जेमिनी ने ही बोला था कि कोई स्टूडेंट कुछ काम कर रहा था उसके हेल्प से, तो आई थिंक ही और शी डिडंट गेट एनी आंसर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो उस पर जेमिनी ने बोला कि डाई और सुसाइड ऐसा कुछ कमांड दिया था कि भाई तू मर जा. कोई ऐसा कुछ कमांड दिया था. हाँ. दिस इज स्केरी दो.
See, they have the data. You have the commands, scripts into this one. So based on the inputs, all the algorithm you have prepared, based on the algorithm you have prepared, the machine is reacting.
तो वी आर जस्ट अ पपेट. हमें सब कुछ, मतलब सब कुछ हमें बताया जा रहा है कि ऐसे करो वैसे करो ऐसे करो.
Being a coder or being a consumer?
बीइंग अ कंज्यूमर.
Yeah.
ओके.
See, anything in the market can be sell out easily if you have some big nouns or pronouns with them. कि कैसे करना है, माइक्रोवेव है. So the Western countries, many of them, they have stopped using the microwave even because they are using the technologies, infrared and all these things. So that's not good for health.
माइक्रोवेव.
So every man-made thing, every उसके साइड प्रोस एंड.
बट सर 10 साल पहले तक माइक्रोवेव अच्छा था.
सर देखिए, पहले हमारे घर में कैंडल जलती थी बचपन में, फिर पेट्रोमैक्स आया, एलपीजी गैस बोलो, देन बल्ब आया. तो जब बल्ब तक आए पेट्रोमैक्स से कि इट्स लाइक यू आर इनटू हेवन, पेट्रोमैक्स से गैस निकलती थी एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट. फिर वो आए आपके जो ट्यूब्स वाले आते थे, एलईडी,
हाँ.
नहीं नॉट एलईडी, एलसीडी
अच्छा.
समथिंग बल्ब्स. तो बल्ब्स हो गए कि एनर्जी बच रही है, एक 100 वाट में एक 10 वाट का बल्ब चल रहा है. देन एलईडी आया कि उसमें तो गैस थी, इसमें एलईडी में गैस नहीं है.
सो बेसिकली इट्स ऑल अबाउट मार्केटिंग.
इट्स ऑल अबाउट मार्केटिंग. कोलगेट का ब्रश, टूथपेस्ट है, 40 साल पहले कहते थे कि वो
मंजन.
मंजन नहीं, इट्स पेस्ट,
अच्छा.
इट्स सॉल्ट फ्री.
ओके.
सॉल्ट नुकसान देता है. नॉट इट्स कमिंग विद सॉल्ट. तो लोग क्या सुनना अच्छा लगता है, वही काम मार्केट में होता है.
राइट. तो सर अब एक कंपनी को क्या सुनना अच्छा लगता है, उस हिसाब से दे मार्केट देमसेल्फ. राइट.
So there are two type of companies in the market. One is a service provider. Based on the customer need, they provide the services and they charge for it. The another type of companies, they have their own product. Based on the market survey, they prepare their products and sell it.
ओके.
So टेक्नोलॉजी के फ़ायदे बहुत हैं. तो जिनको नॉलेज नहीं है, कंज्यूमर्स हैं, नॉलेज नहीं है, वो विक्टिम बन जाते हैं.
तो सर अब एक 55-60 साल के इंसान को हम कैसे बचाएं फिर स्कैम से, एक एआई स्कैम से? द वर्ल्ड इज चेंजिंग टू फास्ट. एआई इज जस्ट चेंजिंग, इवॉल्विंग एंड स्नैचिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑल्सो.
AI is not doing anything. The man behind AI is doing everything.
या मतलब एआई जस्ट अ फेस.
सी देखिए सर, स्कैम करने के लिए किसी को AI की ज़रूरत नहीं है. गिव इन एग्जांपल्स. There was one professor retired from the government and he has a huge amount in the government bank. Okay. उसके पास कोई स्मार्टफोन नहीं है, उसके पास कोई इंटरनेट बैंकिंग नहीं है, उसके पास इवन SMS अनेबल्ड भी नहीं था. एवरी मंथ ही गॉट द पेंशंस. He withdrew some of the parts. उसके बच्चे बाहर रहते थे. After 4-5 months, with a gap of 4-5 months, he went to the bank to withdraw something. बैंक ने बोला आपके पास पैसे नहीं है. He said, I had 40 lakhs rupees, around 40 lakh rupees. बोला सर आपके बैंक में नहीं, आपने निकाल दिया होगा, किसी को दे दिया होगा. उसने कहा चेकबुक मैंने नहीं दी, ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग मेरे पास नहीं है, मोबाइल ऐप मेरे पास नहीं है. He went to police. So police, civil police is not, they are not educated for cyber crime something. We have dedicated department of cyber crime something. वो सब जगह गया, उसको कुछ हेल्प नहीं मिली. कुछ क्राइम हो या 2 महीने हो चुके हैं, कुछ टाइम हो चुका. Then he went to a local politicians. He helped him. He connected the police and cyber crimes and something. So they got to know that your transactions were done across 12 accounts and then 13 accounts. Okay, we had to trace all 12, 13 with the various part of the countries. तो वो AI का तो नहीं बना विक्टिम, वो तो एक स्कैम का विक्टिम बना.
राइट.
और वो ट्रांसफर कैसे हुए किसी को नहीं पता. And you are getting lot of complaints, so we don't have infrastructure to handle all of the complaints. So government is trying to do something over that part, so maybe after 4 years, 5 years. But again, the criminals, they have the different mindsets, so they are far away from that.
सर AI इंडियन ऑडियंस के लिए है भी, बिकॉज इंडियन ऑडियंस
For everyone, AI is
कहाँ सर इंडियन
not limited for any demographics.
नहीं, मतलब इंडियन ऑडियंस जिस तरीके से हम लोग रहते हैं, जो हमारे इश्यूज हैं.
Maybe you want to buy, or you already have an SUV, okay, ADAS enabled SUV. So would you like to have that comfort? So you want the AI.
या
So that's very initial part of the technology. Maybe in the future you have driverless car.
लाइक टेस्ला.
Still they are struggling to make it, right? It's not 100% driverless.
ओके, ये नहीं मुझे मालूम था.
They are in initial phase, right?
ओके.
They are in the initial phase. So whether it is applicable to India,
आई डोंट थिंक सो,
it may be.
बिकॉज अगेन द सेम क्वेश्चन, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है हमारे पास, रोड्स नहीं है ऐसे.
So roads तो हैं, highway तो हैं, अब ये नहीं बोल सकते.
मतलब
Maybe they are bumpy, but yes, we have the infrastructure.
हाँ वैसा है,
And
मतलब
some of them are very good.
सिटी में तो मुश्किल ही है ना सर.
So that is a part of the AI. That is the power of the AI, na?
अच्छा.
You can run anywhere. जब गूगल आया था किसी ने सोचा था सिटी में चलेगा, क्योंकि पहले इंडिया में एड्रेस का ढूंढते थे. पीपल वाली गली से लेफ्ट ले लेना, देन वो दुकान आएगी, उससे चौथा घर है. बट इट मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस 60-70% इज वर्किंग फाइन. In some cases, he's showing you alternate routes and you got stuck. So you need to be a good navigator over the AI. Manual intervention is required. आपको देखना पड़ेगा zoom in zoom out करके किस रूट से ले जा रहा है. If you know the route. मेरे साथ ऐसा कई बार हुआ है कि I followed the Google जहाँ मेरे को रूट नहीं पता है और I got stuck. कि आगे रूट ही नहीं है.
सेम अभी. ठीक है सर, तो अभी एक कंपनी ओनर, एज अ कंपनी ओनर आई वांट टू आस्क यू हाउ यू आर वर्किंग फॉर अ कंपनी ब्रांड. आई मीन टू से कि आप उसकी कंपनी को ब्रांड के लिए आप क्या क्या कर रहे हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ सोशल मीडिया और कंटेंट क्रिएशन, बिकॉज आज के टाइम पे दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ वेरी क्रूशियल पार्ट, जस्ट लाइक एन AI, राइट.
So it's all depends where your consumer is. My customer is not on the Instagram, so I'm not there.
ओके.
My customer maybe is on the LinkedIn. I'm working over there. My customer may be sitting in US or somewhere, so I'm hunting there with the team of the BD, sales or the references, or we are getting the RFPs over the internet with some subscriptions.
ओके.
So this is how it works basically. For a YouTuber or something, you need to be on the YouTube, Instagram, everywhere, every social media. So आपका कस्टमर का डिपेंड करता है.
सो सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन है कि 5 साल में इंडिया एंड AI कहाँ पे होंगे?
See, India is one of the best provider into the technologies. So it will be a boom for India because we have the manpower and we are rich into that part. We may not have the chip or the servers or infrastructures, but yes, we do have the manpowers. who is working on the AI.
बट सर गेम तो वही है ना कि AI मैन पावर को रिप्लेस कर रहा है.
नहीं, AI मैन पावर को रिप्लेस कुछ टर्म्स में कर रहा है सर, इन फ्यू लिमिटेड थिंग्स, बट दोज हु आर वर्किंग ऑन द AI, द मैन पावर, द टेक पार्ट, हु आर क्रिएटिंग द मैन पावर, they will always be remain behind the AI.
So will India get the opportunity in terms of job or in terms
Yes,
of
we do have. A simple coder may lose the job, but those who learn how to use the chat GPT or other AI tools to prepare the best codes, they will get the job. So Indian coders or the Indian technicians anywhere in the testers, they really need to learn the AI tools. If you know the good tool, you want to prepare a resume, you go to the chatbot or chat GPT. You just put your name, father's name, address, your skills, college details, and some summary of you. It will give you the resume. Right? So you know the technology, then you're good to go. If you don't know, you will be a victim.
सर आप इतना यूज़ करते हो AI
In some parts,
एज एन क्या क्या
while sending a proposal to the client, maybe
मतलब चैट GPT वाली सर.
Chat GPT or DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a little slow for me these days, so we use them in many cases.
ठीक है सर. So now what is the AI's pros and cons in different fields? What do you think?
A limited frame of any technology is very good. Like for medical, AI is doing very good actually. For a CT scan, basically, there are a lot of algorithms and data is required for a judgment to a doctor to describe that, okay, what is going to happen with this for an illness or any sickness. So I was talking to one of my friend who is in doctor into AIM. So he told me that a lot of tools and algorithms are combined with new machines, okay, which help the doctor based on the video that, okay, this is symptoms is going for this 1, 2, 3, 4. Because there may be tons of symptoms for that. And his doctor experience always is limited for that one. He may be best for that, but again the knowledge is is required a lot of things. It's a very big umbrella. So in the medical field, yes, it is giving a huge help for us. For education, for examples, again maybe it is gonna replace the tutor.
Okay.
Okay,
मतलब स्कूल गायब हो जाएंगे.
school गायब नहीं होंगे, I said tutor.
अच्छा.
Maybe for in college with the advanced subjects, okay, the teacher is having limited knowledge for that. Because he can't have the hundreds of books in the mind. But you ask the chat GPT, okay, I want to have a lecture for this which covers from this phase to this phase. He'll give you a clear PPT of that, all the deep knowledge of this subject. So he's gonna hit the education market. Right? Where one teacher can have the session with the use of AI to hundreds of students. Like we had the, in the past experience with the online classes, with the Zoom classes. So every class, maybe first standard, maybe 5-6 sections, a single teacher is taking all the classes.
सर बट एक टीचर अकेले कितना ही क्लासेस.
He muted all the students and he's completed the script with the slides. This is your homework. Whereas if the 5 sections are there, 5 teachers were required, plus other infrastructures, the office staff, the class supporting staff for any schools. So that hit it. Same for the technology person. The IT guys will impact through the AI. Those who will not change themselves, maybe 50% of the IT jobs will gone because they are doing the simple regular work, right? For a manual testing, if a tester is there and is getting the billing from the client to check a page of the changes he has done or team is doing regularly, right? Maybe a AI tool is coming over there. So definitely he will lose the job. But this is about all the techies who is using the AI to perform an action into the programming. They will get more money.
You mean we have to update?
We have to update ours.
At what percentage you are in favor of AI and what percentage you are like नॉट फेवर ऑफ AI.
आई एम 100% फेवर ऑफ AI
अच्छा
बीइंग ए कस्टमर.
सर, बहुत अच्छा है. कस्टमर एंड विक्टिम, ये बहुत अच्छा एक डिफिनेशन आपने दे दिया है.
Yes, but I don't want to victim
ओके.
of AI or anything else.
बट सर आजकल तो इतना कुछ इन्हेंस हो चुका है कि मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता कि हम लोग विक्टिम हो रहे हैं कि हम कस्टमर हैं.
That's the life.
सदगुरु जैसी बातें.
You are going on a vada pav or stall, right? You are eating it, irrespective of knowing whether the quality is good or bad. It's hot and spicy, you are good. Ah, wow, with the cold drink over that. तो आपने अच्छा खाना खाया और you are a victim. That you need to decide.
Right. Okay, sir. From my side, I don't have much questions now. Thank you so much for coming, sir. अगर कुछ आपको कुछ पूछना हो या कुछ बताना हो एडिशनल.
No, this is for youngster especially
Yeah.
who's doing the graduation BTech or anything else. They need to hands-on on the technology, on the coding part, especially from the day one. Don't sit aside that they will be hired in a good campus or something. Definitely you will get it, but it's always good to learn to come to that mark. Actually, you are a good coder.
और इसमें से एक और ऐड करना है मुझे कि अगर किसी को इफ एनीबडी वांट्स टू स्टार्ट अ सर्विस कंपनी लाइक यू, ही और शी व्हाट शुड ही और शी डू?
A good network, the first of all,
गुड नेटवर्क.
the clientage.
ओके. एंड हाउ दे विल गेट दैट?
It's all about network. I said. From the day one, if you are getting some project, it's only due to the network. You don't have the market, you don't have the skills, you don't have the experience. So why a company will give it to you, a new vendor who is new to the market? आपके पास कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना सर. You want to install something in your home. Suppose को lighting and something कहीं किया है भाई, नहीं किया है, वो उसको बेकार कर दे, कुछ कर दे, तो कैसे करोगे? Having skills is the one part. Getting customer is the another part. So you need both.
ओके. थैंक यू सो मच सर
Thank you.
फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस. एंड आई होप कि हम फिर कभी बैठे आराम से तो वी विल टॉक अबाउट समथिंग डिफरेंट. थैंक यू सो मच सर.